Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you where can you find the e-ticket of your purchased product on the ZARA application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, click on this profile icon down below next to the menu icon. Then click on purchases at the top on the left side and click on online. Then select the product that you are interested in and now click on the options button at the top. Click on view e-ticket at the bottom of the screen. And here you can see the reference number and the QR code that you can scan. It's really useful. In such cases when you order a product with in-store pickup method, you will need this e-ticket to collect your ordered product. So basically that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.